As you guys know, I do a lot of Amazon review videos, and I was just out of town and came back to a whole bunch of boxes. So want to see what's inside? Unbox with me. First up, the Youwant mattress vacuum, which is so nice because our family is not afraid of buying used mattresses. In fact, my son just moved back in and picked up a used mattress 2 days ago. So we're gonna give it a good clean and see how well it works. Oh, I'm excited about this. This is an electric toothbrush from Sukas, but it also has a built-in water flosser, so you don't need a separate one. And you never know when a brand sends you something, what color you're gonna get. And I love that they sent me the pink one instead of the black one. I'm so excited to try this. These are Demora's silicone foam bandages. They're like the large 4x4 size. You can put them on joints and they work with your flexibility. You can use them in water and they don't lose their stickiness. Apparently they are super absorbent, so I'll be putting these to the test later. Have you guys heard of BuddyGuard? They are like, it's a powder with a bunch of different ground up mushrooms, which supports your puppy's health, especially puppies that are getting older. Like we have an 8-year-old golden retriever, and just as they age, they get all those like lumps all over. So this supposedly helps the lumps go away and no new ones to form. So I will also be putting this to the test. Oh yeah, it's all so exciting. This is Renpho's. They have a new massage gun that curves so you can give yourself a massage rather than needing someone else to do your back or anything. So you can get everywhere with the extended curved handle. I'm excited to try that. And last but not least, let's see what we have. This is a cervical pillow. That's really good for back sleepers. It says side sleepers too. So, and I'm a side sleeper, so I'll be testing it, see what I think. So let me show you how it's different than normal pillows. It's one of those that like, there's a shorter side and a fatter side, and it kind of helps provide that distance between your head and your shoulder. So there you go, the cervical pillow for sleeping. If any of these things piqued your interest, I will link all of them below for you. And stay tuned because there will be thorough reviews on all of these soon.